CGTX stock analysis and CGTX stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I am the only guy in the space who's done this over 43,000 videos in 5 years. So I have seen what's printing me money and what is not printing me money. So Cognition, Therapeutics, already with 72-cent level. What I'll do is I'll come here to the 1-hour chart, show you the broader picture. Yeah, so how this went is the complete opposite way of what I expected. Guess what? I'm not gonna just sit here and say like it was not like this, it was like that. Yeah, totally the complete opposite. With this in mind, I'm fine with it. You know, I never took no trades, just the idea was wrong. You can see we just punctured through this zone, and this is gonna happen. But open-minded for loans now. This doesn't mean I'm randomly buying. People definitely mistake this. But does mean that if it pulls down and shows me the confirmation, I'm going to take it further up. That's how it looks like. You know what I mean? So that's that. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting for rules to be met. And if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people have already got it enrolled. You get my picks, Discord access, and all that good jazz.